Oh boy. Look how dirty she is. Can't stand looking at it. So, you know what? We're bringing it to the car wash and we're gonna get this thing washed out because it looks terrible. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. But this car needs an exhaust so bad. Anyway, what's up guys? I'm Joseph J. Welcome back to another video. It shouldn't be a long video today, but there is something that I want to show you. It's right here and also in here. This is what I've been waiting on the most. I can't explain to you guys how bad I want spring/summer to be here. Like, I hate the fact that our winters are so long, it's ridiculous. But when summer comes, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. We're back. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know what this is right here, look at it. Focus on this. This is the best, one of the best candies out there. Jolly Ranchers hard candies. I don't care what anybody says. Jolly Ranchers reign supreme when it comes down to candies. You can't tell me nothing else. All right, boys, back into the garage. Actually show you guys exactly what it is that I got. So as you guys know, I love buying like little stuff just to, you know, clean up the exterior and interior of a car, because I feel like the most small things make such a big difference on a car. You got these little interior cup holder mats. These right here, these are what I am so excited about. Let me show you guys exactly what these are. We got two cables, little wires, and check this out. For those of you who don't know what this is, I'll explain. These are side markers, so you guys know the little for instance, let's check on the Del Sol. So pretty much how the Del Sol has that, it's pretty much the same thing. I am gonna get some for the Del Sol too, because they do have some. This is sequential, so when you do turn it on, it should be like a line that goes from here, goes across, sequential, and just go right across. It should be plug and play, at least that's what it said. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get to putting these on. So these should just, oh, perfect fit actually. Look at that. This is exactly the type of stuff I'm talking about, is the smallest little stuff, like the smallest little stuff like that. And it just makes the interior look that much better. It's just so mint. So if I'm not mistaken, it should be a pretty easy install. This should just be screws right by the fender liner. Unscrew those screws and then I could be able to go up into the fender and just take it out. Should be this one right here. It should be this one right here. I think that's it. Then I can just move this out of the way and get to up here. Fast forward time, I didn't show me taking it out, but you can see right there, we got it out. Mazda has so much fender liner screws, it's ridiculous. All of this for one piece of a fender. That's just this. Not even the side over there, just this. Just pop this guy out now. We can finally put these bad boys on. We got one in so far, but see how it is. So we got hazards on. Let's see. Ooh. Now we know that yes, it does work. So now it's just to go ahead, put all those stuff back, and then we're gonna go ahead over on the passenger side this time. So let's hurry up and get it, because this camera's actually gonna die soon. So side marker in. These push pins, like, they are so terrible. I'm serious, I don't know what Mazda was thinking putting in the push pins, man. They're terrible. They are so terrible. I think I don't even have to take out any of those push pins. So check this out. This whole time on the driver's side one, I was taking out these little screws and stuff like that. Well, really and truly, all I had to do the whole time was to push to the rear and it comes out. Wow. But whatever, man. Let's just go ahead, put this one on and finish it. And now for the best part. Ooh. Driver's side this time. Ooh. Take that in. Look how much cleaner it looks and blends in with the car. Now, of course, one final time. Let's go ahead, throw the hazards on, and let's check them out. Ooh, looks so much better. Goes to show again that the smallest things make such a big difference. It's crazy. By the way, if you guys do want something like these, then you know, be sure to get some. I'll try and drop some in the link in description down below so that you guys can have a little link or wherever to get it. I also got one next super cool thing to do in this interior, but you guys are just gonna have to wait and see. So it's around like probably like almost 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go ahead, turn the car on, and you guys will see the sequential marker lights. Quick, check out this feature. So of course, when we unlock it now, you can see it right there. We close it. So cool. Go ahead, press the hazards too. Now let's take a look. Check that out. Ooh. Sequentials, baby. Definitely get them. I recommend them. They're super sick. It just adds a little bit more taste to the car. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash that like button. Comment what you guys think of the sequential side markers, and just let me know what you guys think in general. But anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Later.